Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of bipedal robots. Join us as we delve into the advancements, challenges, and incredible feats achieved by these mechanical marvels. Get ready to witness the future of robotics in motion. Engineers at Caltech have developed a groundbreaking robot that blends flying and walking to pioneer a new mode of locomotion. Dubbed Leonardo for Legs Onboard Drone, or simply Leo, this robot features a pair of multi-joint legs for bipedal walking, complemented by propeller thrusters that enhance stability and enable hopping and jumping. Leo aims to redefine robotic walking capabilities while addressing challenges posed by hybrid locomotion. Equipped with impressive skills like tightrope walking, stair climbing, and even skateboarding, Leo is reshaping perceptions of future robotic mobility and has the potential to facilitate exploration in challenging environments. The Kavra HRP-4 stands out as one of the world's most sophisticated humanoids, representing the culmination of 10 years of dedicated research and development. Engineered to collaborate seamlessly with humans, it executes remarkably natural, human-like movements. Emerging from a partnership between Kavra Industries and Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, the Kavra HRP-4 marks the pinnacle of the HRP robot series. Unveiled in September 2010, it boasts an impressive 34 degrees of freedom, with 7 degrees allocated to each arm, enabling flawless object manipulation. Its sleek, lightweight design measures 151 centimeters in height and weighs just 39 kilograms. Moreover, the HRP-4's control system integrates cutting-edge technology, harnessing the power of the open RTMA-based software platform and the Linux kernel enhanced with the RT-Preempt patch. This sophisticated configuration facilitates the incorporation of a wide range of domestic and international software resources for robot systems, including the esteemed open-source robot simulator OpenHRP-3. Kavra HRP-4, a slim and fast robot from Japan, was developed by Kavra Industries Incorporated in partnership with the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology. It benefits from advanced technology used in the HRP-4C cybernetic human. With 34 degrees of freedom, including 7 in each arm for better object handling, it boasts a lightweight body measuring 151 centimeters tall and weighing 39 kilograms. The control system utilizes OpenMazed software platform and the Linux kernel with the RT-Preempt patch to operate effectively across a wide range of environments. Artemis, a humanoid robot developed by UCLA mechanical engineers, stands at 4 feet 8 inches tall and weighs 85 pounds. It excels in maintaining balance, running, and kicking balls, showcasing versatility in bipedal movement across various terrains. Equipped with custom actuators simulating biological muscles, Artemis ensures efficiency and stability under pressure. It employs electrical control and advanced sensors, including foot sensors and head-mounted cameras, to interpret its surroundings. Artemis achieved a remarkable walking speed of 2.1 meters per second during lab tests, establishing itself as the fastest walking humanoid robot globally, with significant potential for robotics advancements. Mentibot represents a significant leap in humanoid robotics, designed for versatility across various environments. Its advanced dexterity allows precise task execution, making it adaptable to both households and industrial warehouse. This innovation paves the way for seamless integration of robots into daily life, enhancing efficiency across sectors. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, Mentibot achieves a speed of 1.5 meters per second, combining agility, strength, and efficiency. In industrial settings, Mentibot excels as a warehouse automation specialist, efficiently locating, retrieving, and transporting items up to 25 kilograms. With a continuous 5-hour operational span before recharging, it ensures uninterrupted workflow. In households, Mentibot serves as a capable aide, proficient in tasks like table setting, cleanup, and laundry, with the ability to learn new tasks quickly. Omoda and Jaiku, in partnership with AIMOGA, have revealed their latest robotics strategy with the introduction of Mo9, an intelligent bipedal robot developed by Chery Automobile. Making its global debut at the company's ecological press conference on 30th April 2024, Mo9 showcases remarkable capabilities enabled by a high dynamic response control algorithm. It excels in gait walking, arm grasping, waist twisting, head shaking, and communication. By leveraging their expertise in autonomous driving, human-machine interaction, machine vision, and AI, Omoda and Jaiku gain a significant edge in the robotics domain. Mo9 distinguishes itself as the first robot with a highly bionic gait walking mechanism, driven by mainstream electric drive technology. Its aesthetic design incorporates bionic silicone, lightweight alloys, and advanced materials, delivering a lifelike tactile experience and a sturdy mechanical structure that aligns with Omoda's futuristic vision for digital humans. The Tesla, controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. Kaleido represents Kawasaki's latest humanoid robot unveiled at the International Robot Exhibition 2022. Leveraging Kawasaki's over 50-year legacy in the industrial robot sector, Kaleido boasts exceptional durability. Despite its physical dimensions being similar to those of an adult human, its robust structure ensures resilience even in the event of falls. With a height of 180 centimeters and weighing 80 kilograms, our goal is to pave the way for its practical implementation in various applications in the future. For industrial applications, PAL Robotics presents Talos, a humanoid robot engineered to tackle heavy lifting tasks with precision and robust sensing capabilities. As the inaugural platform of the Talos robot series from PAL Robotics, it's named Pyrene and will be utilized by the La CNRS Geppetto team for research on navigation, anthropomorphic movements, and environmental interaction. The goal is to integrate Talos into a novel factory concept, enabling its participation in physically demanding tasks or operations carried out in hostile conditions unsuitable for humans. The Geppetto team's forthcoming advancements with Pyrene involve enabling the robot to traverse rugged terrain, lift substantial weights, and enhance its interaction capabilities for safety and efficiency. PAL Robotics engineered Talos to evolve into the next generation of humanoid robots by integrating cutting-edge electronics and sensors internally. Talos operates on full torque control, leveraging torque sensors in all its joints to ensure safe human-robot interactions. This functionality is further enhanced by EtherCAT communications, facilitating rapid data transmission and enabling swift responses to external forces. PAL Robotics humanoid robot exhibits dynamic walking at speeds of up to 3 km per hour. Its 7 degrees of freedom arms can each bear a payload of 6 kilograms when fully extended, enabling adept manipulation of heavy industrial tools. Talos software is fully compatible with ROS, Robot Operating System, aligning it with other robots in the PAL Robotics family. Uptech Robotics made a global impact in 2012 with their humanoid robots and AI companions, particularly with their flagship product, the Walker robot, boosting advanced movement and interaction capabilities. NIO, a Chinese electric car manufacturer, is pushing the boundaries of automation by testing humanoid robots on its assembly line. The Walker robots, developed by UB Tech Robotics, assist in quality checks for door locks, seat belts, headlights, and logo attachment. While specific details of the new robot are unavailable, its predecessor stood at 145 centimeters tall, weighed 77 kilograms, and had a limited battery life of 2 hours. This marks the first use of Walker robots on an electric vehicle assembly line, showcasing their real-time image capture and transmission capabilities. While NIO has yet to announce an official pilot program, UB Tech Robotics sees great potential in using robots to enhance productivity in electric vehicle manufacturing, envisioning a future of human-robot coexistence. AGI Bot recently revealed Raise 1, a humanoid robot with 49 degrees of freedom, 175 cm tall, and 55 kg. AI powered by massive language models enables fluent human-like movement at 7 km per hour carrying 5 kg. Its modular design allows easy component swapping for assembly to caregiving tasks. Initially for industrial manufacturing, Raise 1's commercialization expands to home assistance. The modular skill hand system offers precise manipulation. AGI ROS OS integrates seamlessly with major frameworks, soon open-sourced. The Work GPT AI enables autonomous perception and planning. AGI Bot's AI brain dynamically allocates tasks. With reconfigurable hardware, Raise 1 adapts from manufacturing to home assistance, a significant robotics breakthrough. Joing X30 is made to help in different situations like after earthquakes, in collapsed buildings, tunnel accidents, and places with chemical pollution or heavy smoke from disasters. It can detect and rescue people without needing anyone to operate it. The manufacturer of Dream Robot Vacuums has launched a humanoid robot and a robotic dog. These additions represent a significant step forward for the company, known for its commitment to cutting-edge technology. Initially showcased at the WRC 2023 exhibition, the robot impressed with its ability to prepare coffee and interact with attendees. Standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing just 56 kilograms, it closely mimics human dimensions and boasts 44 degrees of freedom controlled by advanced motion. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000 with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Optronic foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction, HRI, and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. A significant milestone in the evolution of our bipedal robot Digit can be traced back to its predecessor, Cassie. In 2021, Cassie achieved a remarkable feat by becoming the first bipedal robot to successfully complete an outdoor 5K run. With its innovative mechanical design inspired by ostrich legs, Cassie served as the foundation for the machine learning algorithm enabling its impressive walking and running capabilities. During its historic 5K run at Oregon State University, Cassie covered over 3 miles on a single battery charge, completing the course in just 53 minutes, a notable achievement both for robots and humans. Unlike humans, Cassie lacks tendons or ligaments for controlling kinetic energy release during movement. Instead, it relies on springs and actuators, employing similar principles of energy storage and release to manage impact forces upon landing. This accomplishment required significant technological advancements, including engineered legs capable of navigating various terrains efficiently and stably, a robust battery system to sustain prolonged activity, and autonomous navigation capabilities to traverse unmapped environments. These innovations culminated in Cassie setting a new standard for bipedal robots, demonstrating its ability to cover long distances and conquer challenging terrains with ease. Zeno made its debut at Wired Next Fest in 2007, boosting advanced capabilities in sight, hearing, and speech. With over 28 specialized motors, Zeno possessed an agile body and an expressive face. Named after creator David Hanson's son Zeno and inspired by Astro Boy, the robot received an updated version in 2012. This new iteration incorporated Dynamixel RX28 and RX64 servos, along with a sensor suite comprising gyroscopes, accelerometers, compasses, torque sensors, touch sensors, and temperature sensors. Walt Disney Imagineering showcased the Baby Groot robot as part of Project Kiwi at Disney California Adventure, a free-roaming animatronic teased in 2021. This initiative represents ongoing efforts to seamlessly integrate robotics into immersive experiences within Disney parks. In March 2023, Disney introduced a new robot prototype at SXSW in Austin, Texas, modeled after Judy Hopps, the bunny rabbit character from the film Zootopia. This robot wowed audiences with its agile rollerblading and impressive somersaults. In 2023, IEEE RSJ International Conference on Intelligent Robots and Systems in Detroit, a Disney research team unveiled a charming new robotic character resembling Wall-E. Developed by a team led by Moritz Boker from Disney Research in Zurich, this adorable robot features a highly expressive head and dynamically balancing legs, mostly constructed using 3D printing and modular hardware. With a 4° of freedom head and 5° of freedom legs, including hip joints, it can walk while maintaining dynamic balance. Built on Toyota's robotics platform, THR3 is the innovative creation of the company's partner robot division, meticulously crafted and refined. It serves as an experimental platform to test technologies that enable safe physical interactions between robots and their surroundings. THR3 also introduces an innovative remote control system, enabling the robot to mimic the movements of its operator. With its adaptable features, the robot shows potential in providing safe assistance in various environments. The master control system allows intuitive operation of the robot's entire body, with wearable controls translating the operator's hand, arm, and foot movements into corresponding actions executed by the robot. Asimo, created by Honda in 2000, is a humanoid robot primarily designed for search and rescue tasks. It can recognize objects, postures, and sounds, and has two-camera eyes and multilingual abilities. Currently on display at the Miraikan Museum in Tokyo, Japan, Honda ceased Asimo's development and production in July 2018 to focus on other applications. Asimo's last active demonstration was in March 2022, as Honda shifted focus to developing remote-controlled, avatar-style robots. Over 4 models of Asimo were released, with the initial model introduced in 2002. Asimo's abilities include recognizing movements, gestures, and environmental cues, enabling interactions with humans. Equipped with 2-camera eyes, Asimo can track individuals and respond to voice commands and gestures. It can recognize companions by their voices and faces, and autonomously navigate its environment using various sensors to detect obstacles and floor surfaces. These features enhance Asimo's capability to navigate and adapt to different situations. Raptors, a bipedal robot developed by CAST, captivated the world with its astonishing speed, drawing inspiration from the swift Velociraptor. This feat earned it a place among the fastest robots globally, setting a remarkable standard in parallel. NAO, SoftBank Robotics' initial humanoid creation, serves as an assistant in various industries, including healthcare and education. Despite being only 2 feet tall, NAO is equipped with 2D cameras for object recognition, 4 directional microphones and speakers for communication, and 7 touch sensors for interaction. Proficient in 20 languages, NAO aids in content creation, programming education, and patient service representation. Atrias, a bipedal robot crafted by researchers at Oregon State University's Dynamic Robotics Laboratory, exhibits the ability to walk at a pace of approximately 3 miles per hour, requiring support from multiple individuals to maintain balance. Successfully showcasing its walking prowess outdoors in April 2015 marked a significant milestone for its developers. Atrias also made a notable appearance at the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge in Pomona, California. Inspired by the swift movement of ground-dwelling birds like chickens, the designers aspire to elevate Atrias to become the fastest bipedal robot globally. In 2017, engineers at the University of Tokyo built two robots, Kengoro and Kenshiro, that can work out like a human. It's designed for flexibility instead of strength, and it could lead to a wide array of practical applications. In 2012, engineers at Waseda University in Japan devised a walking vehicle equipped with terrain-adaptive control mechanisms. In 2009, the Department of Biomechanics at FSU Jena introduced a walking robot named Pinocchio. The project aimed to replicate human walking kinematics through robotic means. In 2018, the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology showcased a robot specifically designed for rescue missions and assisting individuals with disabilities. Umber Lab, situated at Caltech, conducts diverse research spanning from bipedal robotic walking to prosthesis, hybrid systems theory, and cyberphysical and automotive systems. Among their notable creations is Durus, a humanoid robot renowned for its human-like walking, demonstrating natural heel strike and toe push-off behaviors crucial in locomotion. On 2 March 2024, OpenAI announced its progress in integrating its technology into humanoid robots, partnering with Figure AI, a specialist in AI robotics and the creation of humanoid robots for workforce use. Figure AI, founded in 2022 in Sunnyvale, California, gained recognition for introducing Figure 01, a highly adaptable robot known for its human-like motions. This collaboration aims to address labor shortages and enhance supply chains, with Figure AI currently serving clients throughout the United States. XPENG Motors, a leader in electric vehicles, unveiled its humanoid robot PX5 in October 2023. Standing at 1.6 m tall, it combines industry-leading bipedal locomotion, dexterous hands, and emotional intelligence. We welcome your valuable feedback and suggestions. PAL Robotics in Spain introduced their prototype REM in 2013. Standing at 1.70 meters, REM boasts 22 degrees of freedom, allowing for a wide range of movements. Equipped with a mobile base featuring wheels, it can gracefully traverse at speeds of up to 4 km per hour. Its upper body showcases a torso housing a touch screen, two articulate arms that provide expressive gestures, and a motorized head completing its human-like features. 17th April 2024 marked the debut of a fully electric iteration of Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This new version boasts an enriched range of movements compared to its predecessor. Empowered by an advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware, it showcases remarkable athleticism and agility, establishing a pioneering benchmark in robotics. Olivia, created at the Ars Social Robotics Lab in Singapore, is a multifunctional robot acting as both a receptionist and a personal assistant. It utilizes camera, eyes, and microphones to interact with people, aiming to eventually respond to natural speech and display emotions. Standing at 1.6 meters tall and weighing 152 kilograms, Olivia is equipped with a Core i7 processor, and future plans include mobility and improved hands for object manipulation. Humanoid robots have advanced significantly thanks to reinforcement learning, yet their inherent complexity, like devising complex reward systems and training comprehensive systems, remains a challenge. To address this, P&D Robotics developed ADAM, a full-scale humanoid robot with an innovative design enhancing imitation learning efficiency. They also created an imitation learning framework based on an adversarial motion prior, applicable to ADAM and other humanoid robots. Through this, ADAM exhibits human-like qualities in locomotion tasks. Their experiments show ADAM can match human performance in complex locomotion tasks, a groundbreaking use of human locomotion data in full-scale humanoid robot learning. From Beijing emerges a groundbreaking development, Tiangong, the world's first fully electric anthropomorphic robot. Developed by the Beijing Humanoid Innovation Center, Tiangong represents a giant leap in robotics, boosting exceptional adaptability in mimicking human foot movements across various terrains. Its open-source nature invites global collaboration, accelerating advancements and fostering a diverse community of contributors. With multiple visual perception sensors and advanced motion control methods, Tiangong achieves natural and efficient movement patterns, reaching speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour, a remarkable feat with practical applications across industries. Unitary Robotics unveiled the G1, a $166,000 humanoid robot, akin to a small car. This technological marvel surpasses its $150,000 predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities. Featuring hollow joint wiring for flexibility, it boasts 23 to 43 joint motors, human-like hands, and three-fingered grippers for precise object manipulation. The G1 excels in adaptability, utilizing imitation and reinforcement learning for diverse tasks, from household chores to industrial applications. Operating at 2 meters per second, it manages tasks efficiently but requires frequent recharging due to its 2-hour battery life. The G1 signifies a significant leap in humanoid robotics accessibility and advancement. LeMax Dynamics stands as a pioneering force in the realm of general-purpose robotics, supported by extensive academic and technological prowess. Their primary focus revolves around researching, developing, and manufacturing exceptional general-purpose robots propelled by embodied AI technology. Their product range encompasses humanoid robots, wheeled quadruped robots, and comprehensive robotic software and hardware solutions, catering to a diverse array of industries such as automotive manufacturing, industrial inspections, logistics and distribution, specialized operations, and household services, addressing both B2B and B2C markets. Since their inception in 2005, LeMax Dynamics has fostered collaborative partnerships with renowned scholars and esteemed institutions worldwide, driving pioneering research in robotics, software algorithms, and AI. Committed to catalyzing disruptive innovation within the robotics sphere, their pursuit of a versatile general-purpose robot capable of navigating diverse terrains and executing various mobile manipulation tasks stands poised to redefine societal norms and bridge the gap between humans and robots. Through their unwavering dedication to technological advancement, LeMax Dynamics aims to unlock the full potential of robotics, empowering humanity to achieve unprecedented heights. LeMax Dynamics Biped Robot P1 embodies groundbreaking innovation, featuring state-of-the-art zero-shot learning technology. Functioning under completely transparent testing conditions, P1 adeptly maneuvered through wilderness environments with unmatched precision and stability. Through the power of reinforcement learning, P1 effortlessly adapted to various terrains, highlighting its extraordinary capabilities. Additionally, LeMax Dynamics stands at the forefront of manipulation and locomanipulation techniques for humanoid robots, promising further advancements in robotic innovation. The Fourier GR1, engineered by Fourier Intelligence, marks a groundbreaking advancement in healthcare robotics, with a focus on improving caregiving efficacy and strength. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 121 pounds, the GR1 showcases impressive self-balancing capabilities and can achieve a maximum walking speed of around 3 miles per hour. Equipped with 40 FSA joints providing 44 full-body degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot harnesses embodied AI technology, offering a scalable platform for testing and validating various AI models and algorithms. With its ability to handle weights up to 110 pounds, the GR1 demonstrates versatility in maneuvering through obstacles, manipulating tools, and aiding in physical therapy tasks, presenting promising opportunities for revolutionizing caregiving practices, particularly for elderly individuals living independently. Fourier Intelligence's ambitious initiative aims to produce 100 units of the GR1 by the end of 2023, initially focusing on outfitting them with fundamental hardware-software functionalities. These units will be deployed to research and development labs to refine and enhance the robot's intelligence and capabilities before broader adoption. The emergence of the GR1 signifies a significant advancement in integrating humanoid robots into caregiving roles, offering a potential solution to the challenges posed by aging populations worldwide. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception, the H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. The Cyber One, a humanoid creation by Xiaomi, a prominent Chinese electronics manufacturer, stands impressively tall at approximately 177 centimeters and weighs around 52 kilograms. With 21 degrees of freedom, it replicates human movements with remarkable precision. Powered by Xiaomi's in-house developed MySense depth vision module and AI interaction algorithm, the Cyber One perceives its surroundings in vivid 3D, adept at recognizing individuals, gestures, and expressions. Further bolstering its environmental awareness are Xiaomi's proprietary MyAI environment semantics recognition engine and vocal emotion identification engine, enabling it to discern 85 types of environmental sounds and categorize 45 human emotions accurately. Featuring processing units coupled with a curved OLED module, the Cyber One provides real-time interactive information display. Capable of lifting weights up to 1.5 kilograms with its arms, it exhibits potential utility in tasks such as carrying groceries, However, it's important to recognize that while the Cyber One serves as a technological showcase and a platform for broader research and development endeavors, Xiaomi has not yet committed to mass producing it. The company's vision, though, underscores its commitment to advancing in the realm of intelligent robotics, with plans to integrate the showcase technology into future Xiaomi products. While the availability of Cyber One for purchase remains uncertain, Xiaomi remains steadfast in its belief that intelligent robots will inevitably become part of people's lives, reaffirming its dedication to progress in this burgeoning field.